burn in flames. A million miles from home, I'm walking ahead. I'm frozen to the bones. I am a soldier on my own. I don't know the way. I'm riding up the heights of shame. I'm waiting for the call, the hand on the chest. I'm ready for the fight and fate. Sound of iron shocks stuck in my head. The thunder of the drums dictate. I want to feel the pain and the bitter taste of the blood on my lips again. Steady burst of snow is burning my hands. I'm frozen to the bone.